are going to dive into an app that is called CapCut that is mostly free. I actually just upgraded to pay for it, and I've been using it for about 3 months. So I want to show you in less than 5 minutes, hopefully, how nice this app is and how easy it is to use. It is going to blow your mind, okay? So we are going to find a project that I have not created captions on. And I probably need to go back here really quick. So we are going to do this. I have no idea what this video is. We're about ready to see here. Okay. Always the perfect pose, right? Always. Okay, so I don't even know what this video is, but we are going to simply, I'm going to show you how to do captions on this really, really fast, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the text button, and then you are going to go over and do auto captions. I do original sound. Obviously the language is there. I want to remove filler words and pauses, and I want dynamic captions, which just means it goes with your mouth. If you want it to like drop one word at a time, and then I am going to select start. I don't even know what this video says. I just picked one. Okay, what comes up here is it's going to show us, okay, it's going to delete 0 clips, so it's not identifying any filler words. So typically it'll say delete 2 clips, 3 clips, whatever. So it takes out likes, so's, any repeated words, pauses, and things like that. So we're good on this one. And then you can see that if I play it, I'm going to turn the volume down just so you don't hear it, but you can see the actual subtitles up there, okay? I am going to change this because I like to play around with my subtitles. So we're going to go here. I'm going to go back into that. And then I'm actually going to, oops, let's go back to here. There we go. So when I double click on this, I can go and change my font, which I like the font that it's on now. I think it's on, that's my favorite. And then style, I can do anything. I typically go down here and use this one. The one thing I want is I want the animation off because I don't like how it goes like that. So now we're going to play it and see what happens. Okay, something else is on here. Okay, we're going to check it out. So there we go. The fastest ever captions on any platform. All you do is save it and then use it. And you can see I already did captions before down at the bottom. So I actually have them on both, but that's okay. It's showing you that you can do captions. So it's super easy, especially when it takes out the filler words. There is absolutely no excuse not to be able to create a TikTok or Reel in your own voice, your own original recording in less than 5 minutes, because this training was less than 5 minutes. And if you want to know what CapCut looks like as far as the, do you see right here it says CapCut with the black design in it? That is the one right there that you are going to be looking for when you Google that. So hopefully this helps you. Hopefully this makes your life so much easier. I have been using it for quite a while. And again, there's so many other features, but I wanted to show you this in less than 5 minutes on how this can change your life and make creating short form video so much easier. You're welcome.